Hey Royals, it's your girl Event Queen back with another video, and I'll be showing you how we'll be styling this beautiful cake stand. So we will be adding a nice floral arrangement going along here, or floral garland. So stay tuned and I will be showing you how we design it. Okay, so we're gonna start designing. So we're gonna add the greenery to the foam. And so these came as a bunch. I also cut them off so that they're nice and single like this. So they came in a bunch. I just cut it to this length. And we're just to stick them in just like this. I think I'll put this one down here. Now I'm using roses again, but you can use any kind of flowers that you choose for this design, okay? Let's see, I don't know if I like that in there. I'm not counting how much greenery that I'm adding. I'm just putting enough until I like the way it looks. So it's up to you how much greenery you like to add. You can add less, you can add more, it's totally up to you. So this is the finished look. Look how nice that looks.